Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and Samsung Galaxy A23. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi and then enter YouTube app and tap screencast button located at the top of the screen. Now select your TV. Now when your devices are connected, you can play any music you like from your smartphone and it will be displayed on the TV. If you want to stop the connection, and you can press this button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.